Jay, Corey here. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over those three free tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition, really driving that quality traffic to your website so you can help grow your business as well. The three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. So really bringing your word count up to about 1,500 words or even 2,000, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. So adding that much more content, you can actually layer in those keywords, and those keywords are how you're actually being found as well. Even these images, what they're saved as, this is all content back here. You got home, switch that out, put some buyer's intent keywords. That's going to help with your rankings so you can actually get on that first page of Google. If I go inside of Google and type in carpet cleaning Las Vegas, now this is what you're going to see. You got ads here at the very top. A lot of people have been going away with these old school ads. They've been really spammy. So they came up with these Google guarantees to replace those old school ads to just help block out some of those spammy phone calls is all. But anyway, just another form of paid advertisement, really. I don't know if you're running ads. I'll see here in just a minute if you're running ads in Google. I don't know if Groupon kind of kills you on their fees or whatnot, but this is all organic. So this right here in this little map section, you have a bunch of businesses trying to compete to the very top right here. You even have lots of pages behind this one as well. But to get in the very top here, you're going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is just it's an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is come in here and research our top competitors. Obviously, we don't want to stop there after we get all those same citations that they have. We want to go out there and get maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google crawls your site and does all their algorithms, they have no reason to put you in the very top right here because of all the work that you've done. Anyway, underneath that this map section, you're going to be dealing with all this organic traffic right here. This is where everybody's clicking on this first page of Google, and really to find your pages here, you're going to be dealing with all that authoric content, being found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website. That's just really pushing power in getting you on that first page of Google. And there's a huge trust factor, and not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool, lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So you got 4 referring domains pushing back 30 backlinks. You got 12 clicks coming to your site. Looks like you've been working on this thing since 2017 or so, or 2017. 8 keywords you're being found for, 12 clicks. We can come in here and see where these clicks are actually coming from. So you got your name here, Nevada Floor Masters, Home Masters, Las Vegas. So we want to find some of these keywords that's going to help drive more traffic, and obviously we want to make sure we're in a good position as well. This is Triple J Carpet Cleaning. Put them inside of Ahrefs as well. I'm going to do a quick overview. 67 referring domains, 483 backlinks, 193 keywords they're actually being found for, which they're getting over 100 clicks to their site. Coming in, seeing where what they're actually ranking for. Here's all their keywords, the amount of volume for each keyword, the amount of traffic that they're getting from that volume as well, and also their position. Carpet cleaning Las Vegas, there's 800 clicks for that one keyword right there. Their 6th position, they're getting 39 clicks out of the total volume. There's like Stanley Cleaning, which they're what do you call it, a franchise and things like that, where they have the first couple positions with a couple of franchise companies, and they're actually I'd rather show you somebody local, by the way. But anyway, Carpet Cleaning Las Vegas NV, another 150 clicks right there. 8th position, getting 6 clicks right there. And really, to get in these positions really comes down to making sure you're getting those high quality backlinks so you can get that power to get on that first page of Google. But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over and would love a custom game plan to help you get there, I'd love to do that. Also, if you want to give me a review on how I did on this video, that'd be great. Or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Thanks, Jay. Have a good day.